guys, June 29th, 2021. This is when I got a call from a lady that was water around her gas water heater. So I sent her down here to do a little bit of research. Told her to take the front cover off the water heater, see if there was any water around there. She says there wasn't. I said, well, stick your finger up the overflow tube. And she says it was. She said her finger was wet, so it sounds like it's coming out the relief valve, which is best for her because it's a lot cheaper to change a relief valve than a whole tank. But we're gonna go over there and double check it, and probably change the relief valve on a water heater out for her. Little biggie. Get some more life out of that heater. I think she said it's around 10 years old, the heater. So. I don't try to upsell things to people unless they need it. That's how I am. See, it's dripping. Stick your finger up here. It comes all wet. So I know this is definitely. This one's got a long shank. I ain't gonna use that. The 4-inch. It's a long 8-inch one. And then this one here is the shorter one. We'll use this one. This is the one we're gonna use. There's different sizes. Probably got more in here if I want to start digging, but we'll use this one. The water meter's got no check valve on it, or does it? No, it doesn't have no check valve on it. So there's no need of putting an expansion tank. Let's shut this off. Put this to pilot for now. Wow. She's a hot one. We'll get this prepped. Ooh, it's fucking hot, man. Teflon pipe dope on both. Get it prepped, ready to go. We'll pull it out and get a little water out of it. Do it on, so they're called doing it on the fly. Got a little Smurf jism on there. Alright, we're ready to go. See if we get this one off. Might get a little bit of water coming out, but nothing major. Hose back off. Got the hose back off. Turn this back on. We'll just have to bleed a little air off upstairs and we should be done.